So we just picked the Clio up from the MOT station, and it's a bit of bad news. She's failed. As you can see here, we got 6 major defects. One of them I've sorted, which is a distorted rear wheel. You'll see what I've done there in a minute. But there's a few suspension joints, bulb out, and obviously that dreaded smoking. You can see my wheel repair. Simple fix. We've popped the spare on there. I think this one is the ball joint. There's a bottom ball joint on one side. It might be that side. And a couple of drop links. They're easy enough. I think the ball joint can be knocked out rather than placing whole arm. The old wheel was just buckled. I'm going to send that off and we can get it reshaped. I think the tyre was looking a bit rough on the back, but I actually think that was only an advisory, so that'll be fine. The next thing was the headlight bulb. Actually, I think it was a side light bulb on the passenger side. A bit of a nightmare. I started pulling some of the covers and stuff out to try and get to it, but it's right down there in front of the battery. So I think I might pop the battery out and see how I get on with that. Then the only thing left to do is sort out the dreaded smoke. So let's hit into it and see how we get on.